Do these call to you on a soul level? And yes, it's about providing your clients and customers with what it is that they need. But if you're not lit up by it on a soul level, then they won't be lit up by it. If you're not lit up by it on a soul level, then what's the freaking point? This is part of our desires, right? This is part of living that tantalizing, amazing life, is having a business that feels tantalizing in the process of it. This is why we say the energetics of creation are created from the energy you want to have when you get there. Because when you get there, and if it's like, oh, I have to show up for these people again, and you resent it, you're not going to feel like your life is tantalizing and freaking awesome, are you? You're going to feel like part of it is like a heavy burden. Your business is not a burden. Your business is a blessing, not just to you, but to your clients. But it has to be a blessing to you in order to be a blessing to your clients.